What is network marketing and how does it work? Is it a pyramid scheme? Is it a scam? Is it illegal? I get a lot of questions about network marketing on this channel, and in this video, I'm going to address exactly how it works, how you get paid, what it is, what it's not, and I'm going to go over 3 specific tactics that you can use to blow up your network marketing business, automate it, and make tons of money. Let's get it. Okay, so this is a big pyramid, and this is the compensation structure of network marketing. Doesn't that mean it's a pyramid scheme? Okay, hold on. This is a pyramid, and this is the compensation structure for any company in existence today. Okay? Any company works with a compensation structure where the people at top get paid more than the people working at the cash register. Okay? Every single company I've ever seen in my existence. The person who owns Amazon.com makes way more money than the person who than the executives running Amazon. And the executives running Amazon in Seattle make way more money than the drivers actually delivering the product to your doorstep. So just to kind of get rid of this idea, everything's a pyramid scheme, people. Donald Trump is one of the richest people in America. He's also the most powerful person at top. Look at any world leader. They're generally richer. Most world leaders are richer than the common folk. So everything is a pyramid scheme by that. The second thing you have to understand what network marketing is not, it is not taking advantage of friends and family. If you have, most people have like 5 friends. If you have 5 friends and you get all of them become customers and you make $100 each, your business is done then. You aren't gonna make any extra money. What network marketing is not is it needs to be a sustainable business you have to go outside of your friends and family. So selling to friends and family is not even a question. It's not even the way you should do network marketing. It's a tactic, but it's not a sustainable tactic. Now, the third thing network marketing is not, it is not get rich quick, okay? You can get rich quick, but generally speaking, this is a business. This is a self-employed business where you have to work hard to sign up people to buy, the product or the opportunity. I'm going to go into compensation structure in just a second here. Okay, so in network marketing, you can make money one of 2 different ways, okay? On one hand, you can sell the product. For instance, Herbalife, you're selling protein powder and supplements. Other companies, you can sell skincare, whatever it is. On the other hand, you could sell the opportunity. And selling the opportunity is getting other distributors, is what they're called, or other people signed up to sell products for you. Okay, you're creating a team, just like any company has a manager and they have employees under them. So you're creating your own little business. It's one of the fastest ways to create your own little business. Now, before I get too deep into things, if you do network marketing, type in the company you work for or you did work for in the comments below. And if you did work for a company or tried it, let me know how many years ago you worked for that company. There are a lot of companies out there, and I'm interested to know if any of you have done it before, and if so, what companies you worked for. Now, let's say you're up here and you get 2 customers that buy the product from you, okay? So you get a customer right here that buys the product, and then you get another customer who's more interested in starting their own home business selling the opportunity, okay? So either way, you get 50, generally speaking, the compensation plan looks like 50%. So you earn 50%. So let's make the numbers easy, you earn $50, okay, every month from this person. Now with the second person, you selling the opportunity, you'll make $50 a month. You're making 50%. But let's say they also signed up 2 people under them, right? Now you are making 25% of whatever these people make. So in essence, this one customer, you're earning $50 a month plus $25 a month times 2. So you're earning $100 a month off of this one person. Now, here's where it gets a little crazy is if those two people sign up, if those two people decide to start their own teams and bring people under them to start selling the product, then you make a percentage, something like 5% of those customers. Now, this is what it looks like when you add like a third tier or something like that, is that you start making money from those people you sold, but then you start making money from the people they sold, and then you start making money. People built teams under them. So in essence, I just did some quick math here, but you would make $50 from, the top person, whereas you made, from the one customer who bought the product, whereas you make $130 a month from the person who's selling the opportunity. And from that person selling the opportunity, they're signing up more people, so they're expanding. And that's where the forms of leverage of network marketing come about, is that you can sign up a lot of people and it will continue to grow even if you're doing nothing. That's the dream. Now, this is starting to look a little pyramid shaped, right? It's just people selling people, selling people, selling people. Now, where network marketing companies become pyramid schemes is when all they have is an opportunity. They don't have an actual product that is being sold. So if you are only selling, if all the company does is have an opportunity rather than an actual fundament of, whatever that's education or a physical product or something to fall, that's the real thing they're selling, then it's just a money game, and that's a pyramid scheme. Now, the other thing you'll notice is this is not affiliate marketing, although network marketers, shame on you if you're calling it affiliate marketing. It is not affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing doesn't have multiple tiers of referrals. Generally speaking, affiliate marketing, you only get paid if somebody buys the product. Some companies have a second tier where they pay the people who refer the affiliates, like me, okay? Because I refer a lot of affiliates to a lot of companies. But that's where it stops. Affiliate marketing and network marketing are different because network marketing has so many different layers, whereas affiliate marketing, 95% of the time it stops at one layer. Oh, sorry, did I just get a phone call that you want to learn the 3 ways to start getting customers in your network marketing business? Okay, I'll get to that right now. Here, let me get to that. Okay, so let's get to the 3 ways that you can, examples of how you can sell and get customers to your network marketing business. Okay, but first here's a quote from John Rockefeller, which is, "I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's efforts rather than 100% of only my own efforts." This is an interesting quote, and the richest man who ever lived in the world said this. And the reason is because if something happens to you, you get sick, your mom gets sick and you want to visit her, your car breaks down, you're just feeling low energy, you're exhausted a particular day, you're hungover, you feel like going shopping. There could be a million reasons why you don't want to work. When you have other people working for you, you continue making money no matter what. And network marketing is the fastest way to build teams, to build your company and have people working for you. Let's move onwards. Okay, so now we see, check this video out. Now this is a girl, you can see she has a YouTube channel. Her name's Amy Darley, or that's what she says her name is on YouTube. And she has 68,000 subscribers, and she is selling the product. She works for a company called Rodan and Fields. And you'll see here, she is showing her actual skincare routine. She's showing how the product works, why it's better. She's showing how she applies it. She's teaching how she uses it. And she even scrolls through and shows you the ingredients and what other people are saying about the product. So this is a good way of selling the product. And again, she's doing it through YouTube because people want to see how something is applied when they're buying skincare products. Let's move to the second example of how you can sell network marketing by selling the opportunity. If you saw the math that I just did, you would have seen that you actually end up making more money if you sell the opportunity than if you sell the product. And it's because you're building a team and you're utilizing leverage. So you can make almost 3 times as much selling the opportunity, which is why many people sell the opportunity. And also, we're part of a growing trend, a wave that is going to continue taking over, where people want to work for themselves. People want to go back to being in control of their life. And if you are committed to taking back control of your time from the fake news media, from the social media, and from the corporate world who wants you to be a slave, write in the comments, take back control. Hashtag take back control, because this is a serious, much bigger discussion we should all be having, but this is one of the methods that you can. Let's go into how to sell the opportunity. Okay, so here we are in a video for, again, Rodan and Fields, and it's a video by Sarah Robbins. Notice it's opening with nice cars, showing luxury items, and because it's selling the opportunity. And here is one of the top network marketers in the world, Sarah Robbins, showing how great this company is, Rodan and Fields, and talking about how it's changed her life and how it can for you too. One quick note about network marketing, which is kind of interesting, is that there's more women that tend to be in network marketing, because I think women are better at, social media. They're better at networking. I don't know why. Sorry, I'm generalizing, but it is something you tend to see. Now, she's selling the lifestyle and the opportunity. That's great. YouTube's great. Let's go on to the third method that you can sell network marketing and get customers. But this time I'm going to look at a man at Instagram, and his name is Brendan Teeger. Okay, right there, Brendan Teeger, Asian guy from Australia. And you see, what do you think he's selling? Do you think he's selling the opportunity here? Or do you think he's selling the product? I don't even know what the product is in this. It looks like there's 2 cute blonde girls. I don't think you can sell those. So he's selling the opportunity, and he's selling the lifestyle. And you can see he likes fancy cars, expensive sneakers, and good lifestyle, palm trees, and all that jazz. The way to sell the opportunity is to show off the lifestyle. You want to show the money that people can make with the company if you're gonna sell it correctly. No, I don't sell network marketing, but I would be good, I think, at selling it if I were to get into it. Boom, baby. So that's how it's done. You saw a couple examples. You learned the compensation structure. You learned, most importantly, what network marketing is not. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Money Club. You can click join on the Money Club if you want to be a part of my exclusive gang of internet entrepreneurs who are learning, get access to live streams and some courses of mine. And you can just click that join button next to the subscribe button if you want to be a part of it. And also, I ask you one favor, is if you could, in the top comment, you'll see instructions, but if you could message Tony Robbins for me, send him a direct message on Twitter and say that you should feature this guy in your next video, okay? Just do this for me. First off, that is your homework, and that's gonna help you, and it's gonna help me, and I'd love to move this community to the top. So I'll talk to you soon. Make sure to subscribe. Excited to help you make money. And once again, if you're committed, taking back control of your life, type in take back control, because we're gonna do this, baby. Let's get it.